Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a four-star Sudoku in addition of today's newspaper on Thursday, August the 1st, 2024. We have here, I've already done one puzzle, the three-star Sudoku, so three puzzles are left. The binary jigsaw Sudoku, and this one, you are interested. The Four-star Sudoku number 9009. 9009. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24. Previous Sudoku has 25. This one has 24. And it's an indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve the puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Alright. Let me scan the puzzle. We have 2 1s. We have here 3 2s. We have here 1 3. No 4s. Wow, 1 2 3 4 5 5s. Well. We have here 2 6s, 4 7s. How about 8s, 2 3 8s, and 2 9s. So the 5s are a majority. Can I start with the 5? Yes, 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, there are only 3 places left. The 5 should be here, or there. We have a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 in the second row, no 5 there. The only place left for 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the last column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the last column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 5. Okay. How about the 7 now? Let me see the 7. 7 in this row. 7 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in that column. So the column between. Only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing ones is 7. We have a 7 in the second row, no 7 in these 3 boxes. We have a 7 in the second column, no 7 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 7. Okay. Then 4 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in the first row. Should be there. 8, 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row, so the row between. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 8, 8. 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in these 2 boxes. We have 8 in the middle row, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. So the only place level 8 should be there. 8, 8, okay. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the third row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 8. Okay, now, how about the number 22? Yeah. 9. 9. I need a 9. Yeah. Well, in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the last column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. That means we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 9 in the last column. So the column between, only 3 places level 9 should be here, here, or there. But we need also a 9 in the first row. Here can be 9, we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, no 9 there. Here can be 9, we have a 9 in the last column, no 9. So the only place level 9 should be there then. 9. 1 and 4, okay. Let me see. 7. 1. Yeah. There's 2 there. No 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. Then 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2. 2. Here we have a 2 there. Okay. Okay, let's continue with the 2. Well, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2. We have 1 and 2 in the last row, so no 1 and 2 in these 3 boxes. 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. 3, 4, 9, okay. Means the 6 should be here. 1 of the missing number in the last row is number 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box level, the 6 in the last row should be there. No 6 here. 6. Well. Need a 6 there. Let me think. 3, 4, 6. 3, 4, 6. 3. 3. 2 numbers left now in the first row. 4 numbers, 1 is missing. The 2, 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4. That means the other pair in this big square, other numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. It means 1 digit left in this column for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for 4 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 3 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So it'll come next. The only place level 6 should be there. 6 and a 3. We have a 3. We have a 6 in this second row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place level 3 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this row for numbers 1. It's missing the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here. Or there we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. In this row, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. Then 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing here. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes and there. 2 numbers left now in this row for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3 and the 9. Well, I cannot place the 9 there. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and 6, 4 and 6. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Alright. 9 in this row, 9 in that row, so no row between. The middle row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the first column, so the column between. The only place left for 9 should be there. Then. Yeah. Need a 1. Need a 2. Yeah. 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for 2 should be there. 1 box left in the middle row for number 1. 3. Well, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 4 and the 6, we have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and 6, 4 and 6. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes and there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 in the first column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 3 goes there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only place left for 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing, and 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now in the third column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there, and the final 2 numbers of this big square for numbers 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finished in 13 minutes. Cannot believe this. A 4 stars Sudoku. Well, not the 4, not the 3, not the 2, not the 1. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it to solve myself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.